And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use gradients to create your own photo filters in Adobe Photoshop. Only thing that we really need is a gradient adjustment layer. So let me just open that. And afterwards I click on the gradients, and you've got this settings icon. Let me reset that so it looks like this for you. And you can pick the defaults. For example, let me just pick this one. So I want to change the angle, let's say 45 degrees, so that I have it diagonally. And I can just left click on it and drag it and just reposition it. You can scale it up and down, and you can see what happens if you scale it down. The center becomes smaller. And if you scale it up, the center becomes bigger. 125 should be fine for this example. I'll press OK. Overlay should be a little bit too harsh, so I'll go to soft light for this one. Then activate the layer mask. Use your gradient tool. Click on the gradient, pick the same one, and then drag it diagonally. It's turned into gray tones. So if I hold Alt and click on my layer mask, you can see what we've created here. And that adds to the effect. You can press Ctrl I to reverse it, and look what happens. Then I press Ctrl Z, and then I change the direction of the gradient on the layer mask. You can obviously change the opacity and thus adjust the result even more. Let me use a different gradient, something that looks good on this image. I use another one, so not the default ones. I just click on the settings icon, and then I use maybe metals. I click on append, and I've got more options now. And I guess I use the blue one here. That's a good one. Just confirm it via OK. Go to the layer mask. Get rid of the layer mask with a right click and then delete it. Add a new one. Use the gradient tool. Click on your gradient on top. Use the same one, so the blue. Drag it diagonally. Maybe I change the direction, so Ctrl Z, and that looks good. Let me get down with the opacity just slightly. And here's the comparison to the original. And you can create unlimited variations of this effect, create your own gradients, and obviously use different gradients on the layer mask. And this is how you can use them to create photo filters in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.